Hello, let's dive into the world of Forex, the largest financial market on the planet. It's like a global currency exchange, but here, people trade to profit from price changes. The market runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, thanks to different time zones. You always trade currencies in pairs like EUR, USD. If you think the euro will rise against the dollar, you buy. If not, you sell. Profits and losses depend on how much the exchange rate moves. No physical cash changes hands. Online platforms like Exness make Forex accessible to everyone, not just big banks. You can start small, but remember, trading is risky. Never use money you can't afford to lose. Learn the basics first. Terms like pips, small price changes, and leverage, borrowing to trade bigger. Leverage can boost profits, but also magnifies losses, so risk management is crucial. Start slow, build your knowledge, and don't rush. Forex is a journey, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Before trading, understand the language and mechanics of the market. We'll cover risk management later, but for now, focus on how Forex works. Get comfortable with the basics before placing your first trade. Ready? Let's move on to what's moving the markets right now. October 2025. What's hot in the markets? The US dollar is in the spotlight as the Federal Reserve hints at interest rate changes, making the dollar volatile. EUR USD is reacting to every bit of economic news from the US and Eurozone. USD JPY is also active. Japan's low rates versus US policy creates trading opportunities, especially with global mood swings. GBP USD is unpredictable as the UK navigates post-Brexit trade and high energy costs. Political news from London can move the pound fast. Gold, XAU USD, is climbing as traders seek safety amid economic uncertainty. Investors are nervous about stock indices like the S&P 500, adding to gold's appeal. In short, interest rates, politics, and global sentiment are driving big moves. Stay alert. These factors create both risks and opportunities. Now, let's see how traders analyze these moves. To trade smart, you need two main tools: technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis is about reading charts, spotting trends and patterns to predict price moves. Popular charts include line, bar, and especially candlestick charts for quick insights. Indicators like moving averages show trends, while RSI signals if a pair is overbought or oversold. Support and resistance levels help you spot where prices might bounce or stall. Chart patterns like head and shoulders can hint at reversals. But charts aren't everything. Fundamental analysis looks at real-world events, central bank decisions, economic data, and politics. Interest rate changes by banks like the Fed or ECB can move currencies dramatically. Economic reports, jobs, inflation, trade are key drivers. Both analysis types work best together. Use charts to time your trades and fundamentals to understand why prices move. Stay informed and flexible. Markets react fast. Mastering both approaches gives you an edge. Next, let's talk about managing your risk. Risk management is your trading safety net. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Many traders use the 2% rule per trade. Use stop losses to limit potential losses automatically. Position sizing matters. Adjust trade size based on your risk and stop loss. Exness offers tools to help. Choose from standard or pro accounts and trade on MetaTrader platforms. Fast deposits and withdrawals keep your funds accessible. Use Exness's VPS for reliable trade execution, even if your internet drops. The economic calendar and analytics tools help you stay ahead of market-moving news. Explore all features. Your broker is your trading partner. Smart use of these tools can make a big difference. Protect your capital, and you'll stay in the game longer. Now let's wrap up with some key tips for success. New traders often fall into traps like overtrading or revenge trading. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Be patient. Only trade setups that fit your plan. Create a trading plan with clear strategies and risk rules. Keep a trading journal to track your decisions and learn from mistakes. Start with a demo account to practice without risking real money. Master your emotions. Fear and greed can sabotage even the best strategies. Think long-term, like a business owner, not a gambler. The market is always changing. Commit to lifelong learning. Read, watch, and learn from others to keep improving. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Manage risk, stay disciplined, and keep learning. That's your best shot at long-term success in Forex. Good luck on your trading journey.